Did you know that the average child spends 7 hours a day on screens? And 90% of teens are online daily. Here are some tips to help keep your child safe from the potential dangers of excessive screen time. Set screen time limits to establish healthy habits. Use parental control apps or device settings to enforce these limits. Create tech-free zones in your home to promote family interaction and better sleep habits. Designate specific areas where screens are not allowed. Lead by example by limiting your own screen time and demonstrating a healthy balance between online and offline activities. Be a positive role model for your child. Educate your child on the potential risks associated with excessive screen time, such as reduced physical activity, eye strain, and sleep disturbances. Make sure they understand these consequences. Encourage outdoor play to balance screen time. Establish daily routines that include time for exercise and fresh air. Engage in screen activities together by watching, playing, or learning together. This can make screen time more educational and interactive. Select high-quality content that is age-appropriate, educational, and interactive. Monitor what your child is watching or playing and ensure it aligns with your values. Set a sleep schedule and avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime. Blue light from screens can disrupt sleep patterns. Encourage your child to pursue hobbies and interests that don't involve screens, such as reading, art, sports, or music. This will help them develop well-rounded interests. Have open and regular conversations with your child about their online experiences. Encourage them to share any concerns or encounters that make them uncomfortable. Employ parental control software and features provided by devices and apps to monitor and restrict access to inappropriate content. Use these tools to help keep your child safe. Stay informed about current online trends, social media platforms, and apps your child may be using. This will help you better understand their digital world. Remember that moderation and communication are key. Be flexible in your approach and adapt it as your child grows and their needs change.